In this video, I'll be showing you how to make welcome message in Discord server and set up a message. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Now to do this, you're going to need dino.gg, the bot in your Discord server. If you haven't got it, all you got to do is go to the top left where it has your Discord server name, go to app directory, go to search and then type in dino like so. And then you're going to see this one right here. And then all you got to do is press add app. And then you can just visit the site once you've added it to your Discord. So it's going to look something like this. It's going to ask you what server you want to add it into. I'm going to put it into this one. Go ahead and press continue. Authorize all of this different stuff. And then it's just going to ask for an authentication code if you have your Discord linked on like two-factor authentication. And once you go ahead and give it that, it's going to look something like this. And you just want to go over to modules and then just look for something called welcome, like so. Enable this, and then basically you can go into settings. You could have a custom message, so you can have a welcome channel, and then you could also have like a message, and then it can be like welcome to the server, press update, and then that's it. You'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.